Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Today, we're embarking on an exciting three-part journey through the Acura RDX. In this series, we'll explore everything from pricing to ownership costs, insurance, fuel efficiency, maintenance, and depreciation. Join us in Part 1 to kick off this comprehensive exploration of the Acura RDX. The Acura RDX is a top contender in the luxury compact SUV market, boasting a combination of style, performance, and reliability. With an average new price of $49,635 and a 5-year cost to own of $42,063, it offers great value for money. When considering the costs of ownership, factors such as insurance, fuel, maintenance, and depreciation play a crucial role. In this video, we will delve into these aspects to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the overall cost of owning an Acura RDX. Let's explore how these factors contribute to the total cost of ownership for this impressive vehicle. Acura RDX. The Acura RDX is a luxury compact SUV that offers a combination of style, performance, and reliability. With its sleek design and powerful engine, it's no wonder that the Acura RDX is a popular choice among car enthusiasts. In this section, we will introduce the Acura RDX and highlight its key features. The Acura RDX is a luxury vehicle that delivers both comfort and excitement on the road. It features a sophisticated design with sleek lines and bold contours, making it a standout in the crowded SUV market. The interior is equally impressive, boasting high-quality materials and a spacious cabin that can accommodate both passengers and cargo with ease. But what sets the Acura RDX apart from its competitors is its performance. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful engine that produces ample horsepower and torque, allowing for confident acceleration and passing maneuvers. The handling is precise and agile, making it a joy to drive on winding roads or through busy city streets. Key features of Acura RDX. Safety. The Acura RDX prioritizes safety with an array of advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. With these technologies, you can have peace of mind knowing that you and your passengers are well protected on the road. Technology. The Acura RDX is equipped with a host of cutting-edge technology features. The intuitive infotainment system offers seamless connectivity and comes with a user-friendly interface. You can easily access navigation, music streaming, and smartphone integration for a connected driving experience. Comfort and convenience. Inside the Acura RDX, you'll find a spacious and well-appointed cabin. The seats are plush and supportive, ensuring a comfortable ride for both short commutes and long journeys. Additionally, the RDX offers convenient features like a power liftgate, keyless entry, and a panoramic sunroof, enhancing the overall driving experience. Performance. The Acura RDX delivers impressive performance with its turbocharged engine. It offers quick acceleration and responsive handling, making it a fun and engaging SUV to drive. Whether you're zipping through city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Acura RDX offers a thrilling ride every time. Fuel efficiency. Despite its powerful performance, the Acura RDX doesn't compromise fuel efficiency. With its efficient engine and aerodynamic design, it offers competitive fuel economy ratings. This means you can enjoy both performance and savings at the gas pump. Acura RDX pricing overview. When it comes to purchasing a new vehicle, one crucial factor to consider is its price. In this section, we will provide you with an overview of the pricing details for the Acura RDX, including the average new price and the factors that influence it. Understanding the cost implications of owning an Acura RDX can help you make an informed decision and budget accordingly. Factors influencing the average new price. Vehicle features and trim levels. The Acura RDX is available in various trim levels, each offering different features and options. Higher trim levels often come with a higher price tag due to the inclusion of more advanced technology, luxury amenities, and upgraded performance features. Optional packages. Acura offers several optional packages for the RDX, allowing buyers to customize their vehicle with additional features and enhancements. Opting for these packages can significantly impact the overall cost of the vehicle, as they often come with a premium price. Market demand. The average new price of the Acura RDX can also be influenced by market demand. If there is a high demand for this popular SUV, dealerships may be less willing to negotiate on price, resulting in a higher average new price. Conversely, during periods of lower demand, dealerships may offer more competitive pricing options to attract buyers. Geographical location. The geographical location where you plan to purchase the Acura RDX can also impact its price. Prices can vary based on factors such as local taxes, dealership competition, and regional economic conditions. It's always a good idea to compare prices across different locations to ensure you're getting the best deal. Dealer incentives and promotions. Dealerships often provide incentives and promotions to attract customers and boost sales. Keep an eye out for special offers such as cashback deals, reduced interest rates, or discounted prices on specific models. Taking advantage of these deals can help lower the average new price of the Acura RDX. Understanding the various factors influencing the average net price of the Acura RDX can assist you in making an informed decision. By considering these factors and conducting thorough research, you can ensure that you get the best value for your money when purchasing this luxurious SUV. Understanding the 5-year cost to own. When considering purchasing a new vehicle, it's crucial to assess the long-term costs involved. The 5-year cost to own is a comprehensive measure that factors in various expenses associated with owning a vehicle over 5 years. By understanding these costs, you can make an informed decision about whether the Acura RDX is the right choice for you. In this section, we will break down the cost components that contribute to the 5-year cost of owning the Acura RDX. Insurance cost. Insurance is an essential expense when it comes to owning a vehicle. The average annual cost for auto insurance for an Acura RDX is $1,639, which adds up to $8,195 after 5 years of ownership. These insurance costs are estimates based on national averages for a 40-year-old, with full coverage and a good driving record. They also assume a single car policy, and won't reflect any multi-car discounts. The cost of insurance varies depending on several factors, including age, location, driving record, and the model of the car. With the Acura RDX, you can expect competitive insurance rates due to its advanced safety features and a solid reputation for reliability. Fuel cost. Fuel cost is another crucial element to consider when calculating the 5-year cost to own. The Acura RDX gets an average of 24 mpg, which will cost a total of $9,130 for fuel after 5 years, or about $1,826 annually. These estimates are based on average fuel prices, assuming 12,000 miles driven per year, 55% city and 45% highway. These figures also reflect current EPA estimates. Fuel costs will vary based on your driving style, fuel prices in your area, and the engine that will be in your vehicle. Maintenance cost. Regular maintenance is necessary to keep any vehicle in optimal condition, and the Acura RDX is no exception. Maintenance and repair costs for an Acura RDX will be about $2,556 after 5 years. Expenses include scheduled maintenance, normal wear and tear items, and expected repairs. These estimates exclude any free warranty work performed. Where you live, and the way you care for and drive your vehicle can have a big impact on these costs. So, your results may vary significantly. However, this luxury SUV is designed with reliability and longevity in mind. With routine maintenance and proper care, you can expect the Acura RDX to deliver on its promise of durability while keeping maintenance costs within a reasonable range. That concludes part 1 of our series on the Acura RDX. We hope you found this segment informative and insightful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Join us in part 2, where we'll delve deeper into the world of Acura RDX and its ownership costs. Thank you for watching.